Wanna know how to explore stores in Paladins? So you can see various stuffs, items and accessories that you can get or buy from stores. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this main menu right here. So once you're under this main menu, on the left side you should be seeing various options you can choose from. So right below Trials of the Realm, you should be seeing store, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected store, your store page should open up like this, and on the top you should be seeing various navigations that you can choose from. By default you should be under chests and gifts. What you can choose contains to DLCs, featured, namely skin bolt, accessories, account. So you can just simply choose any one of these three and you can just simply scroll down to see how much it costs, gold, crystals and much more. So you can just simply buy it through leveling up or unlocking through crystals, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily browse stores in Paladins. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.